Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Very interesting session in the market today. This is the daily chart of Rack Ceramics. In my yesterday's video, I had mentioned Rack Ceramics is in a bullish chart pattern. We are seeing this ascending triangle pattern. We have to wait for a breakout. Once it crosses 3.00, this will be very bullish. Today it opened with a gap down. As we can see, it opened somewhere around 2.97. It went down till 2.96 and from here it tried to recover. Closing is at 3.00. Now the main important thing here is market should open flat tomorrow, that is at 3.00. Now from here bulls will be ready to buy this. Remember, as I keep mentioning, when market opens with a gap down, it indicates weakness from the buyer side as they are not ready to buy stocks at the higher price. Any breakout of this chart pattern will be very bullish. Target should be 3.10. Next we have M Steel or Arcan. As I mentioned, it was in a bullish chart pattern. This is a symmetrical triangle pattern. We saw a breakout, but yesterday market could not sustain the gains. It touched 1.33 and from here it came down to close at 1.30. Today it opened flat, but overall market sentiments were not very positive. It came down to retest 1.28 as I had mentioned yesterday. This would be a buying opportunity. Closing is at 1.30. Today we did not see very good volumes, but overall this stock is still bullish. It has got potential to touch 1.40 very soon. AD ports. There was a positive news from Abu Dhabi ports, but still it could not perform well. Look at this guys, exactly this is what I have been mentioning. When it opens with a gap down, definitely there is something wrong in the market. Sentiments are changed, buyers are not very aggressive. It came down to retest almost 5.00, closing is at 5.04. We have a breakout zone right here at around 4.98, so market can come down to retest this zone as well and then take a bounce. Overall, this stock is also very bullish. It have broken out of this bullish chart pattern. More upside is expected. Multiply is also very bullish. After the breakout of this bullish chart pattern, this is a symmetrical triangle pattern. It touched 1.97 and from here it came back for a retest. Check this guys, it broke the resistance. This was the resistance and apex of this triangle pattern. Usually we expect chart pattern breakouts right at the apex of the triangle. So after the breakout, now it have come down to retest the zone that is 1.90. This is a strong support for now. We are seeing a dodgy candle, but at the same time we can see buying pressure, meaning buyers are sitting in this zone. This is a support. Another interesting chart pattern that Multiply have been developing, which I missed to update in my videos. We are seeing a bullish cup and handle pattern. Right here you are seeing this is the cup and now it's forming a handle pattern. Where is the neckline? This is the neckline, that is around 2.02. Once it breaks to the upside, we can expect a good target. How do we identify the target for cup and handle? We usually mark the depth of this cup and we plot it to the upside right here like this. So this should be your next target. Let me mark this as well. That is our resistance. So 2.20 should be your first target. Overall, I think market can even retest 2.35. This should be your final target. And finally, let's talk about Borouge. Fantastic performance by Borouge today. I'm very happy with the closing. In my yesterday's analysis, I had mentioned this is the 15 minutes chart. By the way, market is following this resistance trend line. Market is trying to cross this, it gets rejected and come down. Look at this price action right here. It have already started to make higher highs and higher lows in 15 minutes time frame. Now if I move up to 60 minutes time frame, we can clearly see breach of this trend line, which is bullish. Here it tried to break, got rejected, it made a dodgy candle. Then we are seeing a bullish candle again. Also it broke the resistance of 3.12. Today's closing is very good, 3.14. Also let me move up to daily chart. Let's see how it performed. The closing is very good. We can see Borouge started trading at 2.89. From here we are seeing a high of 3.26 and from here we saw a correction. Now again we are seeing buying have started. This is very bullish candle. Most likely tomorrow it might open with a gap up. Wait for a small correction or a retracement. Enter the trade somewhere around here, that is 3.15. If it opens flat, still very good, you can buy it. But in case if it opens with a gap down, stay away, wait for a bullish price action and then buy. Borouge overall now is looking good. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.